I just 3D printed this awesome wireless mouse. Check it out. I 3D printed this with the Yusu 3D filament that you guys saw earlier, so that means yes, the outer shell is glow in the dark and it's awesome. The Bambu Labs component kit only costed $12. Those supports came off nice. Let's put this bad boy together. This mouse only took about 15 minutes to assemble. Bambu Labs has a really good tutorial on their website as well. Now let's add the wiring for the battery. Let's put the glow-in-the-dark shell on. Don't forget the little mouse feet and the battery. Check it out, guys. It works. This thing came out absolutely amazing.